A good spy camera can have all sorts of uses, even for those of you who aren't secret agents. Good spy cameras come in different forms, shapes, and sizes, and can be used for home security and keeping an eye on kids and pets when you aren't in the room with them. They always keep an eye on things when you are not around. So if you are interested in buying one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Take a look at the description below to see all the featured products and their buy links. Our list begins with the DZFtech Mini Spy Camera. This mini wearable camera pin is tough to be noticed while it is recording. It is both PC and Mac compatible, 2.0 USB, a fantastic plug, and plays a spy pin camera. This hidden camera pin records 1080p crystal clear videos that ensure you perfectly catch every wonderful moment, and the built-in lithium battery provides a long enough recording time. The mini body camera also supports recording while charging and loop recording function. Plus, it supports a micro SD card up to 32 GB, loop recording, and its camera lens comes with a 140-degree wide angle. On the other hand, with the help of loop recording, when a memory card is full, the newest file will overwrite a prior file. Up next on the list, we have the KAMRE Home Security Camera System. This indoor camera gives you more control over what you want to see in your room. It comes with a dual-band Wi-Fi connectivity that connects easily over dual-band Wi-Fi or wired Ethernet to get 24/7 access to your camera's live feed from anywhere, anytime. You can utilize the KAMRE Home app and Yi Home app for iOS and Android. Let's check in anytime, anywhere. Access KAMRE Cloud, Live View, adjust privacy settings, communicate over two-way audio, and much more. Plus, this camera relies on Microsoft Azure to protect your data with the same security and privacy level that protects millions of businesses around the world. Besides, it surpasses the highest US and European data privacy requirements. Moving on, next on the list, we have the KKmoon bulb camera. This camera has a motion detection alarm. When somebody appears on the camera under alarm function, it will send alert messages to your phone. It supports loop recording. You can record and play back with a local micro TF card. The two-way voice intercom offers a 360-degree stereo sound, free talk even long distance. This spy camera can be used in various places, such as a warehouse, offices, supermarkets, doorkeeper, etc. Additionally, it supports multi-user viewing with a mobile, tablet, PC, and other devices simultaneously. The KAMRE Hidden Spy Camera Photo Frame comes with an HD camera built in it. The combination makes the lens very hard to be noticed, great for your needs. Videos recorded by this picture frame camera are 1280 by 960p at 30 fps, giving you a clear view of any room. It has a maximum of 32 GB storage micro SD card that can be built in. It uses a high-quality polymer lithium battery, and the hidden video camera can withstand 4 hours of video recording. When in standby mode, the battery can last for a good 2 to 3 days. No software needs to install. 2-button operation. Use is simple. Insert the micro SD card and start to use the mini DVR camera. However, you can keep the spy photo frame on the table or hang on the wall for home monitoring. The Insta360 GO is a miniature action camera for everyday applications anywhere, anytime. It records video, audio, and photos to 8 GB of internal storage and exports the content to your phone via a companion iOS Android app. The standard video is exported in 1080p 25 Full HD resolution. Meanwhile, you can also choose one-tap time-lapse, hyperlapse, and other video modes. The free companion iOS Android app can also be used for various remote functions and intuitive auto-editing of your video recordings. Plus, it comes built into a splash-proof case that lets you shoot in the rain. Also included is a charger case, which features an 800 mAh battery. Per charge, it lets you capture about 200 clips, each about 18 seconds. Via the micro USB connector, you can also interface with Mac and Windows computers for file transfer. Last on the video, but at the top of the list, we have the Blink Indoor Home Security Camera. This product comes with a built-in motion sensor alarm. When the motion detector is triggered, Wi-Fi cameras send an alert to your smartphone and record a short clip of the event to the cloud. It is powered by two lithium AA 1.5-volt non-rechargeable lithium batteries. Data is sent from IP cameras over Wi-Fi. This incredibly long battery life is made possible through a proprietary chip technology, available only in Blink cameras. You can view live streams, motion clips, arm and disarm your system, and set up smart recorders for batteries through select Alexa-enabled devices. Quickly receive a push notification alert with a link to the video attached, so you can decide how to respond. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up to show your support. And lastly, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Have a good day.